Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Vivette, and on this channel we talk about ways that we can make money, personal finance, personal development, and general ways in which we can all achieve financial freedom. So if this is something that you are interested in, please subscribe to the channel, please like, share the videos, and comment on the videos. I really appreciate it, and it will do wonders for the channel. All right, so in this video, guys, I just want to show you an easy way in which you can make money online by using Fiverr. As I always talk about, is the online platform where you can offer your services on it and get paid. So in this video, I want to show you that you can be an online friend and get paid. So you know that there are some persons who probably, have, issues as it relates to confiding in persons close to them. There are certain things persons may not want to share with their family members or even their close friends. They prefer to talk to somebody independent or somebody who they don't know. And this is one way in which you can make money by being an online friend to such persons because um, especially during the pandemic, many persons, have maybe lost their jobs or were working reduced hours, and some persons may have like mental breakdown or just going through a really hard time, and they really would like to talk to somebody. And even not only that, you have persons who struggle at times, who maybe find it challenging just to even go through the day, to do certain things. So you can be that online friend for them to help them in whatever way, that the challenges that they are having, and you can help them and provide a solution, or sometimes just give a listening ear as to what they have to say, right? So as I said, you can offer this service on Fiverr, the platform that I use, the platform that I love. And if you want to join Fiverr, there is a link in the description where you can sign up. It is free to join, and you can offer as many services that you might have, things that you probably think that no one will pay you for, persons will pay you for them. All right. So as I said, this one is to be an online friend. And so far for this service, you have 562 persons are offering this service online. And you can go through and see what, they're just being an online friend, online soulmate. This person says, I will be your online friend who you can talk to about anything. I will be your online friend and a favorite listener. So some persons just want to talk to somebody, or sometimes probably may not have to say anything, but just to listen to what the person has to say. Whatever the case may be, there are persons out there who are lonely. As I said, they don't really have anyone to talk to, or they don't want to talk to maybe their relatives or their friends because they may fear that they may be judged. And so you can offer this service to them, right? Just be an online friend, and persons are getting paid. Not many persons who may take your service will leave a review, but it is something that you can look into if you want to offer it as a service, right? So Here are some suggestions. You can be an listener, online friend. You can be listening to them. You can maybe offer service like maybe online, give suggestion online dating if you're, familiar with that area. You can be their best friend. There is erotic, there's adult, listen, video chat, right? So you can click on these and you can, tailor it to how you want it and, make some money online. So that's what we are here to do. All right. So this chat is more like a chat room, right? So maybe this is not, but as I said, if you go back, you can be an online friend, right? Just to be a friend, a best friend, whatever the case may be. Just listen and you can, um, whatever service, whatever solution you can provide to them, or just listen to them, right? So I also just want to share this service that you can offer. It's, I mean, you don't have to study it or anything. It's just something that comes natural to you. So, you can offer it as a service and get paid. So, guys, if you love the content, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the videos, guys, and check out the description for the links for the services that I use. And you can sign up for them. Give it a thumbs up, give the video a thumbs up, share it with other persons, because when you like the videos, YouTube will recommend it to other persons that they can know about this channel, because we want to grow this channel, want to grow a community where we can offer more services to person, and whatever you want to be showcased on this channel, then we can do that. And also you can also leave a comment down below and tell me what other ideas you'd want to be, to see me showcase here on the channel. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, please like, and share the videos. Thank you all for watching, and have a great day. Bye everyone.